Hi guys, good to see you. Please, if you see the sign on the door, don't knock. Okay. I made this video. Let me take this off. Okay. I made this video to explain some of the things we saw in class and to guide a little bit the process, and so you don't have to be in class here to start working. Okay. So let's go. This is about the creation of the audiovisual presentation, about the selected aspects of writing. I'm going to talk to you about the design and about the sections of the video, and then I will mention some ideas related to the software that you can use or the kind of videos that you can create. I'm going to give you some tips on in terms of the content, where you can get the content from, and the due dates. Okay, so let's start. Okay, in the creation of any audiovisual material, you need to think of the design, the production, the post-production, and the evaluation. Okay, when we talk about the design, we think about the analysis of the situation, the documentation, and the scripting. Okay, so before you start, you need to choose your topic. If you already have your topic, you need to start gathering the information that you will use in the video, and ideally you should write everything that you will say in your video. That will make your video more smooth and it will be more simple to produce. Okay, then in the next stage we have the production, which involves the recording itself, when you put all the material together, when you actually do the recording, do the stuff. And of course, this is a team. There is involvement of a team. Okay. Then, when you finish, we have the post-production, in which we edit all those details. We cut down some things. Maybe we add some music, and we also do some internal evaluation. And finally, we have the evaluation. I'm going to give you some guidelines in terms for the evaluation step, so you can evaluate the video before my final evaluation of the product. Okay, and finally, of course, as this says, you have to publish your video on Flipgrid. There's a space we've created on Flipgrid. I'm going to show you. Okay, here we are on Flipgrid. I modified the same grid we had last semester, and created this flip code. You can enter this flip code, AW 2019, with your own the same username, the same ID. Okay, and I created this topic here, in which you will upload your assignments. This is the topic that you will be able to see there. Okay. Let's go back to the explanation. So that's it about the Flipgrid. When you finish your video, you will have to upload it there. Let's go to the sections of the video now. Okay, make sure that in your video you include the following sections. First of all, you have to provide examples of correct use. You have to select those examples very carefully. Okay. Then you also have to provide examples of incorrect use. Okay, sorry about the typo, there's a typo there. Examples of incorrect use. So you can compare, you can show one sentence with a correct use, then another sentence with an incorrect use, and so you indicate what the correction is. Okay, don't forget to make it interesting, so you can include images, photos, or drawing to make it more dynamic. Feel free to also include music if you want. Okay, and of course, as in any kind of presentation, it is very recommendable that you include a brief introduction and a conclusion. Okay, brief. Okay, and finally, do not forget to include some selected exercises and their answers. Okay, let me show you some website from where you can get some information. Let's say, for example, that you're researching about comma splice, so you will write the criteria, comma splice. You will find many different websites. You will find videos. You can watch videos, so you can study about it, and you can select your examples. Okay. If you write exercises, examples, you can write exercises too. exercises. You will be able to find exercises. You can just copy those exercises in a separate sheet of paper along with the answers and upload it as an attachment to the video. Let me give you some ideas of some software that you can use to make your video. Let's go to section 3. Section 3, some ideas. PowerPoint has a feature in which you can create the screen capture of your computer and then save it as a video format. You can do that on PowerPoint. I am using Screencast-O-Matic right now, so you can see myself. You can see me small here, and I can show the webcam bigger, or you can just show only the presentation if you don't want to appear on the camera. These are some ideas. You can use both. You can use a combination of PowerPoint with Screencast-O-Matic. You can make a video of yourself explaining in front of the camera, maybe showing the sentences, maybe showing a book, showing the stuff. Or you can make a video of only showing your hands, like some of those explainer videos that are online. You can just show with your hands the pieces of paper. You can of course make the video, make the camera focus on a table. Or you could make your own proposal, your own idea. Like these guys in the pictures. You can speak in front of the camera or just show your hands. Let's talk a little bit about the due dates. The idea is that you can work on your own today. Today is Friday. What Friday is today? Let me check the calendar. Friday 6th of September. So you can work on your own and make sure that you do the script. You have to write your script and you have to select the contents, and you have to bring this ready for Monday 9th. Make sure you bring this so we check it together in class and I can give you my feedback. Remember that you have to select the contents. Next activity will be on Wednesday 11th, in which I will support you with troubleshooting issues, problems that you had during the preparation of the video, or any questions that you may have about the creation itself. And finally, on Friday 13th, as you can read here, the idea is that you publish your videos you upload them your videos to Flipgrid, and then visit your classmates' video. This is about learning. The teaching and studying and then sharing is another way of learning, and the idea is that you can also watch your classmates' videos. Then there will be a class discussion, a final class discussion, in which we will reflect on this process of creating videos, of selecting the examples, of learning, of doing the exercises, of watching your classmates' videos. And on the following week, we will have a quiz on the contents. The idea is that this is a learning opportunity. So this is all for now from me. I wish you success in your projects, and don't forget to bring your scripts and the select content ready for Monday. See you Monday.